Jade Tower isn't just a building. It's a place where you can live fully and want for nothing. Step out onto the terrace, take a dip in the pool, head down to the spa, get things done in the co-working space, or catch a movie. All within the same community. We got you a new 2-bedroom apartment, so you don't have to picture what life here could be like, just living it. Let's take a look. And that's it. This apartment is a place where living feels easy and everything's close, including the sea. Thank you for watching the video, and I'll see you in the next property tour.